Welcome to Super Top. Today, we're diving into a sizzling face-off between two multifunctional kitchen powerhouses, the Gourmia Food Station and the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill. If you're in the market for a versatile cooking appliance that can handle everything from grilling to air frying, you're in the right place. And don't forget, links to access the best prices for both products are in the description below. Let's jump right in. Similarities. Cooking versatility. Both the Gourmia Food Station and the Ninja Foodi offer multiple cooking functions. With grilling and air frying as their highlights, they're perfect for preparing a wide variety of meals. The Gourmia adds roasting, baking, and dehydrating to its features, while the Ninja Foodi doubles as a crisper for fried treats. Compact, indoor design. These appliances bring outdoor cooking power indoors, with countertop-friendly designs that fit seamlessly into your kitchen setup. Healthier cooking options. Both appliances let you enjoy your favorite fried and grilled foods with significantly less fat. Gourmia uses its FryForce 360-degree technology, while Ninja Foodi uses cyclonic grilling technology to achieve crispy, delicious results without the guilt. Ease of cleaning. Both models feature dishwasher-safe components, making cleanup a breeze after you're done cooking. Temperature range. With both products reaching high heat levels, they can handle a variety of dishes from juicy steaks to crispy fries. For the best deals, check out the links in the description below. Differences: cooking functions. The Gourmia Food Station packs 6 cooking functions: grill, griddle, air fry, bake, roast, and dehydrate, offering incredible versatility. On the other hand, the Ninja Foodi specializes in grilling and air frying with cyclonic air technology, excelling at achieving that authentic char-grilled taste. Technology. Gourmia stands out with its integrated temperature probe, which ensures perfect doneness by automatically shutting off the unit when your food is ready. Ninja Foodi relies on its cyclonic grilling technology for precision grilling and char marks. Design features. Gourmia includes a clear view glass lid and guided cooking prompts, making it user-friendly for beginners. The Ninja Foodi, meanwhile, offers a ceramic-coated grill grate and crisper basket for consistent results and durability. Accessories. Gourmia comes with a griddle, grill grate, air fry basket, and even a drip tray for easy cleanup. Ninja Foodi, on the other hand, includes a crisper basket, cooking pot, and a cleaning brush, along with a handy recipe book. For the best deals, check out the links in the description below. So, which one should you choose? If you want maximum versatility, the Gourmia Food Station is your go-to. With 6 cooking functions and a temperature probe for perfect doneness, it's ideal for adventurous home chefs. However, if you prioritize specialized grilling and air frying with an emphasis on smoky, char-grilled flavors, the Ninja Foodi is a standout option. Both appliances deliver excellent performance and convenience, so it all boils down to your cooking style and preferences. Don't forget to check the description below for the best prices on these fantastic products. Remember to like the video, comment with your favorite choice, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next Super Top.